On.
Is it on?
Yeah.
That's ridiculous.
Meow.
Meow. Oh shit, that means we're live, ladies and gentlemen.
Don't forget to turn your volume off. Meow.
Is that meow means we're going?
Yes.
Meow.
Meow.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Three.
Meow. Oh shit, we're live. Hey everybody. What the fuck is going on? Dirty bitches.
Wait.
What? No?
Meow.
Now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh. You fucked up my flow, Brian. I had a false start out of the gate. But like Usain Bolt, I will recover from my shitty start.
Meow. Meow.
Hi, everybody.
Meow. Meow.
The Joe Rogan Association podcast is brought us. Are we live, sweet Jesus?
Meow. 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 Meow.
Wolf.
Woof. You're woofing now?
Yeah.
What the fuck you doing, man?
Werewolf.
You're ruining the whole program.
Meow.
I think we sold so many fleshlights that it was impossible for them to sell more.
Meow.
Oh, we're already live?
Yeah.
Damn.
Meow.
Hey, everybody. This is our new band. He meows, and I do a fucking really shitty beatbox.
New career.
I'm feeling that money coming in already, Brian. We got a winning combination. We need to put this shit on wax. Ready? The Joe Rogan Experience is brought to you by onit.com. That's O-N. We snuck up on you, dirty bitches.
Meow.
It's live. It is live.
Right now,
doing
it's
it?
good.
It was
Meow.
it was live already. I was watching it.
Yeah, it was the recording thing was flashing like it wasn't recording.
Son of a bitch recording.
Standing by.
Yes, it's true that the new Joe Rogan Experience studio will have a desk that has meow written into it in metal.
Damn.
That's how we roll, bitches.
Damn.
We roll deep, and we hire craftsmen.
Meow. Meow.
Da da da. Hey, everybody. You got a fake meow now? You son of a bitch. It's supposed to be meow.
Meow.
That sound that you hear, ladies and gentlemen, is not a real cat.
That was actually me.
So if you're allergic to cats, don't fucking freak out right now, man. Is that your new meow?
No.
You son of a bitch. Is that live?
Yeah.
Seems like it is, right?
Yep.
There was a new meow. What are we doing?
I don't know.
Meow.
Duncan Trussell has a falcon on his cock.
Right here.
The Joe Rogan Experience podcast has begun, bitches. The and we're doing it again. We're doing it again. That's my new opening song.
Good voice.
It's nothing. It doesn't even seem like I'm trying. It's just
Meow.
sweet baby.
Meow.
Hey everybody.
Meow. Meow.
Shut it. Shut it, folks. We're fucking moving. We're in motion right now.